the market for a collectible classic car that's also a perfect Sunday driver, this 1989 Mini Cooper 30th Anniversary Edition is the car for you. It is a full Cobra interior sitting on super light alloys and Nankang tyres all round. It's like a wee go-kart on the road. It's the ideal car to go and enjoy a sticky bun by the seaside. In a place just like this here, I'm going to try you one.
For just £4.97, you could walk away with this Mini Cooper 30th Anniversary Edition. Just get over to lucky competitions.com and get yourself a ticket now.